Welcome back, guys. I'm away on holiday this week, but as you know, the show must go on. So without further ado, let's head back to the UK, because this week we're fitting the dashboard. Let's go and take a look.
Are you listening? Damn.
What a beautiful bit of kit. What a lovely, lovely bit of kit. It's nice to be fitting something so pretty for a change instead of big, heavy mechanical items. Just before we go any further, that dashboard is a Dave Hardwick dashboard. It was made from scratch by him. If you've not heard of Dave Hardwick, go check out his work. He makes his own panels, he makes dashboards, he's got a jig to build cars. One-man band and extremely talented and not massively expensive in the grand Austin Healey scheme of things. So yeah, Dave Hardwick, go check him out. He's very, very good. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's fit that dashboard. So there we go, dashboard finished and everything works. We've got power to our light, power to our switches, and everything that's connected up is working. So we're in a great place and it looks gorgeous. Super, super pleased with it. Really, really happy. Where are we going next? We put some oil in the engine, some oil in the gearbox, and we put some coolant in, but we are waiting on a few little bits in the post. I won't mention from who, I'm not pointing any fingers, but you know who you are. I did order it on Wednesday, it's now Sunday, and you said it was in stock. I'm not, come on, sort it out please, we're gagging to get this thing running. Where do we go next? Connect up starter motor and a few little bits that we're waiting for, and then it'll be a case of cranking it over, getting some oil pressure. Wait there, hold up, hold your horses a second, Jamesy. Just talking there about gaining oil pressure, turning the car over, connecting up starter motor. In between me filming this video and filming the outro, we've connected up the starter motor, and trust me, it's not going to give us any oil pressure. Have a listen to this. That's with the plugs out. With the plugs in, it struggles even more, it barely turns the thing over. So in the interest of development and market research, we've ordered a high torque starter motor. Now, I've just said, or I'm just about to say, because I'm so excited and I'm so into the flow of things, that the next thing you see will be us turning the key. It will be, guys, I promise you. But the video that you see of us turning the key, we will be using a high torque starter motor, which has just arrived in the post and we're fitting very soon. So I will bring you, we will bring you the video that we all want to see, and then after that we'll do a review and a comparison between the cranking speed of an original starter motor and a high torque starter motor. Now it may be down to our battery potentially, but we've got a brand new battery, so to eliminate things, high torque starter motor. Anyway, back as I was, because I was just getting into how excited I was, telling you it's all gonna carry on. See you in a bit. And then I think our next video, it'll be the one. Turning the key for the first time in 30 years and seeing if we can get this car running. And if that's not worth subscribing for, I don't know what is, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from us and see us turning the key and getting the car running, please subscribe. Have a wonderful week. I can't wait. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.